the heck at DG's? Because he's taking a long time. He canceled like 30 before he was done.
You know you're on the video with that.
Yeah, yep, don't cut it out.
I'm not.
Tell me when. You see how it's almost to your chin? It's so big.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What's up, JG Willie's crew? Hope all is well, and well is all. Hey, crew, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for tuning in. Hey, guess who it is?
Hey, guys.
CT. And, ooh,
I know.
I know some of you guys have been asking for a long time. When is she going to get in? When is she? Hey, here she is. My lovely wife right here.
First video, guys. So it's good. Look, we'll help her out. First video. You can speak, Mom.
But I'm telling
Hi, guys.
She's so cute.
Hey, look, I'm telling you guys. Hey, I know it's been a little while, but first of all, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
2021.
We made it.
Hey, we made it. And for the ones of you guys that are looking at this video, thank God for you guys as well. Mm-hmm. You know, you made it, because 2020, wow.
It was rough.
2020 was a rough, tough, long, hard year. Mm-hmm. I mean, this virus came in and woo-wee. I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands. I mean, if you guys watch the news, you see the numbers.
Yeah, it's really sad.
They're not even here for 2021. But thank God for the ones that are. And hopefully everybody have a prosperous year this year.
Mm-hmm. And condolences to everybody that did lose somebody this past year.
Definitely, definitely. And so, what I have here in front of me is a German snack box that our son and his wife sent to us. So we are going to unbox it and try it out. We don't know what's in it, but we'll see when you see.
I'm excited. I feel lucky because they're up here now again, so I get to try it with them.
Oh, once again.
So I feel lucky. Yay.
So, why not?
All
What do
right.
we have here, guys?
I'll hold it for you.
What is that? Wow. Party Hit Twister Mix Paprika. Oh, now this is German. Now some of these words look Erdnublacken Loopies Classic.
Nice.
We're gonna set this out and then we're gonna try this stuff, you guys.
Looks like everything traveled okay too.
It looks like it.
Yeah.
Gusto Monster Sticks.
Oh, that's good.
Let's see here. Oh, raw. Lion snack size.
Nice.
Lebanese Minnies black and white. I'm trying to talk German.
You gotta get the accent in there.
Exactly. Let's see. Uh-oh, strawberry flavored dynamite sticks.
Ooh, those are probably tasty.
Ooh. Oh, a Biffy roll. What is a Biffy roll?
We're gonna find out.
Yeah. Lentically.
It sounds like one of those like shakers.
It does.
Okay, wait.
Damla New 2.
Oh, wow.
Nice. There's so much stuff.
I'm
Oh
telling
my
you.
gosh.
Look at this right
Yeah,
here.
so much.
Kaizen caramel. Now look at it. Caramel. Not caramel. Oh, there's our bunny. That's quick.
Yum.
Oh, Nestle's. Oh, look. Kit Kat.
Oh, wow, that's cute. The flavor is different.
Yeah.
They will be.
Oh, look at this right here.
Ooh, yum.
Mini Bunter Mix. Let's see. Check
It's
that one
really
out.
short. Nice.
Eh.
Oh, wow.
Neem 2 Lock Gummy
Ooh, those look
Jog
really
Hurt.
good.
Look at
So
that.
good.
But yeah.
Check it out. Oh wow, this box had a lot
It's
of
like
stuff
it
in
never ending.
Y'all thought about us for real.
Contrella.
We love to eat.
See?
Oh, wow.
And look, let's see. Wait, one more. A Wonder Bar. Wonder Bar.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and then let's see. Oh, and look, and they also, let's take this out of
Oh,
this bag.
wow. Yay.
They also
Ooh.
gave us something to flavor to taste this. It's called a shrimp swap.
Wow.
Cola and orange shrimp swap.
I'm excited.
See that?
Yum, yum.
So,
You know, as much as I've been in Germany, I don't think I've tried any of these.
and I was getting ready to ask, has
No.
anyone tried this? I know I haven't.
I
You?
haven't tried.
No, I haven't. No.
Well, maybe the Kit Kat,
Okay.
because there's different flavors that I've had like in Europe, but that's probably the only one that's close to anything that I've tried, which I'm excited.
Okay. And so, hey, thank you.
So much thanks.
Thank you to Hassan and his wife.
Uh-huh.
I won't put their names there. So, hey, what do you guys think we should try first?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe a crunch or something?
Maybe a crunch.
Okay, you go first. You go first.
Crunch.
Okay. That one?
Okay.
Okay.
Here, I'll get a little napkin.
Well. Haha. You know, I see people doing this on some videos, and wow, you know, we finally get a chance to try it.
Ooh. Oh, it looks
This
nice.
looks really good.
I did that in the wrong order, y'all.
That's it.
Oh. You got it?
Looks good.
Yeah. Want to the bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, paprika.
Well,
What's the flavor?
Oh, so good. I like it. I like it.
It's really good.
I like it.
okay. Aha.
Just a regular box.
We know what it reminds me of? Oh my gosh, what are those things called?
Labels?
Bugles.
Yeah.
That's exactly it. Bugles. I was like, what are they called?
They do.
Mm-hmm.
They really do.
They're airy.
Mm-hmm.
I could eat the whole bag.
They're really nice.
Is it Bugles? Yeah.
And it's exactly what I'm thinking.
They are.
That crunch.
Mm-hmm.
This
It's really good.
put this in a bowl at a party. Hence the name.
Well good.
I like it.
So far, so good. What are you thinking? What are you guys thinking?
Want some sweet?
Okay, pick it out.
Try this. This sweet.
Okay.
Yum.
Okay. Open it up.
I'm just gonna keep eating everything.
I know.
Oh wow.
You got it?
Oops, sorry.
Well, you know,
I'll wait for you guys this time because I snuck a bite last time.
it probably
it
just
was
got
natural.
shaken up
Yeah.
shaken up in the box, so it's good.
It's got like a wafer inside. You can see that.
All
I
right.
smell like
Let's see.
chocolatey,
Good.
peanut buttery. You ready?
I'll put all my mouth.
You did?
I'm ready. It's good. It's like the Butterfinger.
Nutter butter thing?
The Butterfinger thing. With the wafer.
The Butterfinger Crunch.
I think so. Yeah. But that's the Butterfinger taste.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Right, I can see that.
Similar.
Because that chocolate goes towards it.
I like it.
That's really good.
That's good. That's good.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's good. That was really good. Want me next?
Daddy's pick.
My pick again? Okay. Well, this one is calling me.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh wow, the monster sticks. Okay.
Does it have a flavor on the front?
Yeah, it has
Oh, pepper.
paprika. Geshma.
He's working on his German. His Deutsch.
I'm sorry, sweetie.
Just scoot yours a little bit there,
Okay.
so you can.
Oh, I thought they were thin from the picture.
Oh, wow.
I did too. The picture looked like they were sticks, didn't it?
That's it.
Oh, here I go. I was about to do it again, y'all. I see food nowadays. I'm like,
Right.
these are interesting.
I like the first one better though, so far. I'll say you.
Right, I would. The flavor is pretty good. It's just the.
So eating them is like, it comes like, okay, I want more. I want more.
Right.
I want more. It's good. Keep eating more.
Right, I can get a I taste the extra as you keep eating them too. Like,
Ooh.
They're very airy though, like very airy. You know.
Yes.
Yes.
So when you,
they kind of you take
Bite
a bite,
into
and it
Right.
just goes away.
right.
Wow.
Whereas this one, I felt like they had a little crunch left over, if that makes sense. Like this one, it kind of just immediately melts, but this one, you got to chew it a little bit more.
Right.
Yeah. Not bad though.
Yeah, it's good.
Let's see. I'm gonna do this.
What's happening?
So mini Controlla.
Okay.
So guys, let me open it. Oh, of course I would pick the one I can't open.
Oh.
Let me see if I can grab the.
Get it.
My fingers are still a little swollen. Couple more days.
Oh yeah. Hey. I'm glad she mentioned that.
It may be hours. She's saying
I'm
days.
glad she
know.
mentioned that, but when I in the
Still here,
intro
y'all.
in the intro when I said just did like you all know who it is, but you have to know who it is. This is the one.
Yeah.
It's anytime now. Anytime, that
See, it wasn't just my fingers. It's
it would
sealed in there.
they have it. Yeah, they have it still in there. Yeah, I'm about to go get it because
Get the razor.
they have this one a little tight from us.
So it should be fresh.
Right.
Super fresh.
Yeah, leave it out.
Okay. Okay.
Will do. Ooh.
Thank you. Looks good.
Look at that. Look.
I know. It's like
See?
soft
That's
too.
the top.
Oh wow, it's very soft.
That's the bottom.
It's frosted on the top.
Wow.
Dipped in a chocolate of,
Yeah.
What is it called? Meaning
and it doesn't smell milk. It smells kind
Controlla.
of dark.
Yeah, Controlla. A mini Controlla. Let's see though.
Interesting. It's good. Like a pumpkin.
What am I
thing.
tasting?
Pumpkin.
Some spice.
Oh, it's it's unique. Of course.
Like a ginger. It's like
Like
ginger.
He's not the biggest fan of it. Unique. It may I do taste ginger. I almost taste like
Where's that came from?
fig.
Maybe.
Like a,
I can't understand.
I don't know.
I don't see. No. It's interesting. Interesting.
Oh, you say all the ingredients are in German.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's good though. I'll eat it. I'll eat it.
Nice texture to it too.
You said fig, that's right.
You taste that, right?
Fig.
It's like a spice. There's
I ate it all up. It's good.
Mm-hmm. I was gonna say, but you still ate it.
Almost something like, I mean, like almost like a nutmeg. It's well, tastes like it's in there. I don't know.
You getting like that after?
Okay.
It's definitely spice. That was his favorite, y'all.
See, look at the fingers.
I know it can't be that bad. No, it's good. It's good. We're probably what rank them at the end, like what we like the best individually.
Right.
Okay.
Let's see, something's salty. I don't need this one.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, the beefy
Mm.
roll.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. What is that? Let me see. Is it savory? You want to break pieces?
What is it? Wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it might have to be a bite. We might have to just bite it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look. Well, see. Look. Once she bit it, you see.
Mm-hmm.
See the inside.
You can see it.
See it.
That's exactly what.
Oh, it's like a salami thing.
Naturally smoked.
Green. All right, big bite. Mmm.
She had a big bites. I want small bites.
Just go for it. Go for it.
Good.
Mini salami.
I like it. I like it. I like that.
It's like a snack on the go.
You want it? Go try.
You know, yeah, because it's almost like a
I like it.
what's those
Slim
sticks?
Jim.
Slim
That's
Jim.
exactly what I was thinking.
Slim
I don't wanted
Jim.
y'all to try it first. But,
Right, I'm like, that's it.
It's like a Slim Jim in the middle of like a soft bun.
Correct.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Yep, Slim Jim.
Slim
That's
Jim
what I
in
was
the middle of
looking
a
for.
soft bun. That's cool. This is convenient though, because like you're out on the go. It stays, concealed in this package, and you can just have it in your bag.
Right.
Grab it and go.
Right.
Okay.
Nice. That's my roll. Okay, we'll put that there.
Okay. You know what?
Those are gonna be good. I can just
Yeah.
tell.
Yeah.
I've had like a different form of or flavor of those, but not that particular one.
Yeah, these the NIM 2 Lock Gummy Yogurts. So, that name
That's so.
that name
Yogurt
sounds like it could be
infused.
right infused with the yogurt. And you wanna,
You're probably gonna throw this real quick.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Will it do it that way?
Yeah, you'll do it just like that. Okay. Yeah, you can get some out because the colors may be
Yeah, it's different. Yeah.
in taste.
You got a pink, yellow, green. Let me see what the flavors are.
And they're in little cute little
Wow.
different
Different
shapes
I was
too.
about to say different little shapes.
It's like a leaf.
Yeah, it is.
I bet it's like a different texture, flavor.
I can eat the whole bag.
What flavor is that?
It's just so good. This is like a
Well,
green apple. I had the leaf first.
right, green
I
apple.
don't
It's
know
like
what
a
this
half wheel or something like a.
These are good. Fruits with vitamins and yogurt. Nice.
Oh, combination.
Oh, I like those.
You see, I slid it over here.
Like a slice of pizza,
Let me see that one.
kinda.
Like a fruit or something.
Yeah.
Orange,
wow.
maybe. A pomegranate.
Orange
That
or
is good.
That was really good.
grapefruit. Let's see.
Probably
Really,
grapefruit.
really good.
I wish I knew the flavors.
Oh, they all written in German.
If they even list them, let me see.
They are good.
They're really good.
Oh my.
They're soft. They remind me of the it's not as tough as a gummy, but like the chewiness is there.
The marshmallow.
In between, probably like a marshmallow and a gummy, because it's yeah, it breaks apart really easily.
That
Wow.
was really good, y'all.
And so we have to remember, because what we ate, we gotta say which one that we
Rate
thought
it.
was the better one.
I'll switch up though. Wait, is it near you?
I just did that one.
Oh, okay. We'll do the Lebanese Minnies black and white. Okay. Looks like a, yeah, I'm not going to do the bottom part. Let me see.
Actually, put that down so my face won't.
What are you going to do? Like pour some?
Yeah, you can have a couple of them in there.
There you go. Oh, sorry.
What you trying to say? What you trying to say?
They might be that good. They look really good. They're so cute and little. Let me see. The vibe is giving me like Oreo from the beginning.
Whoa.
Right.
Nice.
And see, look, if you may not can see it, but the actual word is
I am sure you guys.
is embedded inside of the cookie. Limness.
So good.
These.
Good. She put everything. Look.
Everything over here.
Other ones we put in the middle of her favorite stuff.
I'm like, oh yeah, put this back. Wait, where's the other thing? Yep. That round thing.
Which one, baby?
What we had?
Oh, this one. Oh yeah. See, these are so good, and they're so little. You could just pop them, and you're not even realizing how many you eat.
No.
This is one of those snacks.
They are.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much.
See?
Oh.
Now it worked out.
They're good, y'all.
These are so good.
Must try them. Right? Mini black and white.
Minnie's black and Lebanese.
Limness. Wow.
Germany.
Yes.
These are really good.
Go Germany.
What do you say? One more, then taste the Schwap.
Sure.
Whatever.
So
I'm gonna be digging this bag right here.
choose one. Choose something out there.
Okay.
Just have a cookie.
Okay.
A dynamite stick.
Oh. Oh, that might be.
Oh my goodness.
Thinking
Strawberry flavor.
Cinnamon?
Strawberry
Yeah, I was
flavor.
thinking
strawberry,
cinnamon when it
okay.
says dynamite, but strawberry, yeah.
Opening.
Probably just try to rip it, and if not, we'll cut it.
I'm not good.
Or one of the type.
You know me,
Let's see.
Y'all just work on that. I got these over here.
Oh wow. Oops.
Pick them out.
Mm-hmm.
The strawberry, right?
Strawberry.
Right.
No, I need to drink some water.
Oh, I got everything mixed it together. But I know.
Okay. I'm trying to wipe my mouth out.
How is it?
I know, because now the cookie.
I know the cookies in my thing.
Mm-hmm.
I might have to eat one and then eat one after to really get it.
Oh my goodness.
It's a jelly inside.
Good. Interesting, huh? I didn't know it was filled.
The outside tastes like it could be gum, and then it's a
Yes.
jelly in middle.
That is
I
so
didn't know it was
true.
still
Right.
good.
Like it?
Like a
I like
a
it.
gum outside texture.
Mm-hmm. Like it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's good.
Mm.
What do you think, Mom?
I like it. Mm-hmm. I do. Mm-hmm.
It's like, that's probably way too small.
The gum,
Oh, but you can see it
Well,
like
for them to
this.
see it, but they gotta.
Oops, sorry.
They don't do that. Yeah, yeah. See.
That's
Yeah,
the
good.
inside.
yeah. Strawberry flavor.
Like by itself, you would literally think you're chewing, like if you slid this off, a bubblicious, like you're about to chew bubblicious.
Right.
And then it goes into,
Got
like,
you. Mm-hmm.
That's true.
it's for sure that
Yeah.
texture on the outside.
Mm.
Okay. Wow.
Nice.
I'm gonna be a hard favorite.
Yeah.
It is getting worse
You
and
gotta
worse.
remember.
Because I'm like, okay, I like this, and then
So you have to remember.
got some cups.
Okay, cool.
Oh wow.
All right.
Those are good though. I like that it's like,
And remember I said it's
Not so
cola
sweet.
and orange.
Okay.
Okay.
Good, it kept some of its fizz. So
Yeah, we're gonna just just kind of taste it.
It's still fizzing, y'all.
Oh wow.
That's awesome. You ready?
Cheers.
1, 2.
Cheers.
The orange, I taste the orange right away, but I also just had that soda.
Yeah, the orange is definitely more dominant.
What's the flavors?
Cola and orange. But their cola's a different taste anyway. It's like, you know how it's different everywhere? Like, McDonald's is way better overseas. Like, it's like a different, oh, it's so much better.
I think their cola is similar to RC cola.
Okay. Is that, okay, because you know more Coke better.
Right.
Okay, so
Like
it's
an
similar to
RC
that, so
Cola.
you taste that mixed with the orange.
Right.
Okay.
I would love it on ice. I would love it with ice.
Yeah, it would be interesting. It would be interesting how
Not yet, though.
it would be interesting how it would taste with ice. It almost seemed like if I added ice to it, that it would be
Can I try the goodies?
You want to try some
that it
goodies?
would be that it would take the flavor from the strength, I guess, for me, but maybe not, but because it's not strong acidity wise.
That's so sweet.
What do you see?
That's good. It's strong though. It's really strong.
Right, that's what, like I'm saying. The
I mean,
orange,
strength.
yeah, the orange is more dominant.
Good enough.
That's what you're saying. That's it. Okay, gotcha. You know, I'm gonna take it.
Do you love it?
So,
Who's playing these goodies?
We are.
Wow. Did you like it?
So what did?
What's next?
So yeah, so
What's next?
Okay.
Shrimp swab.
I'm going to say lentil cake.
Oh.
This is giving me that. I don't want to break them though.
Right.
It's a little piece of tape. Okay, you want to maybe cut the
is it?
tape? It's like right there on the.
Oh yeah.
Let's make it easier.
Good job, Mama. Good job. But Daddy and Mommy.
Thank you.
Bob.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, nice. And you can see the package. It looks just like what it's on the outside. So let's see.
Mom,
You
who
get a
made,
few?
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
who made all of these goodies?
It was a special treat sent from Germany.
Okay. See?
Is Germany,
Jessie?
Mom, is Germany my cousin?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Oh, right.
I don't want to say it before you guys try
Plain
it.
M&Ms.
M&M's?
Plain.
Plain M&Ms.
Okay.
And see, like you said, the colors, you know, they're just colorful, but
Good.
the plain M&Ms.
You like them, baby?
There's different color.
Okay.
Right, different colors, correct.
Just hop on
I
the
guess a moon banana.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
it goes.
Here it goes.
It's
Yeah.
popping in.
Moon and banana.
Okay.
Don't eat all those.
I won't.
There'll be some.
That was good.
What you like that?
Just gonna share with your family.
That's really good.
Oh yeah, Nestle. So
Very
Oh,
familiar.
Okay.
very nice.
You know what? Why not, y'all? Why not?
What
Why
are we doing?
not?
What are we doing?
Why
Okay.
not?
David, you
I want to pick one of these. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
But you could just pop them in.
Okay. What you want me to do? Oh, thank you.
So like
Give it to
it?
me.
No, I think she went to go let her dad try it. He probably didn't take it. So
put that on your stage.
Okay.
So,
Here.
what
Nah.
flavor?
Right there.
Then I'll put it on
Oh,
your
okay.
napkin.
Okay.
Oh, British Sport.
Thank you.
I am familiar with British Sport chocolate.
What is that?
British Sport
yeah,
chocolate.
what's the,
What
yeah,
flavor? What flavors are there?
read them. Let's see.
Okay. Okay. So you got marzipan,
Be right here, Wednesday.
Nusper flakes, Nuss splitter, Yoghurt.
Which one's that?
But nougat,
Which one?
yogurt again.
Mom, what?
Yes, baby.
I want to eat the yogurt.
The blue looks
Try that
dark.
with me. Oh, let's try it together.
The blue looks dark. I don't
You
know.
think so?
Oh, that one maybe.
Well, this is nugget. So if you like a nougat in the inside or something like that.
Probably.
Nut splitter. I'm
But
not.
we are
familiar-
trying though, so we can't say no to all of it.
Nuts for flakes would probably be like the crispy. I would imagine the crispy.
Could be,
Bit.
yes.
Hold on, baby.
We'll
We're
try
gonna
each
try
other.
together.
Okay.
Okay. And then there's
No.
2 of those, and then marzipan. So, or
Okay.
edelweiss.
How many there? How many?
Well, some of them are duplicates, like these 2.
Okay.
I'll put them together, and then
Okay.
the yogurts are duplicates, and
Get the
then
different ones.
okay. So let's
Okay.
take the different ones out. Let's do that. Okay, that would be these,
Okay.
Yeah, we try them.
and then
Yeah, open one.
There we go.
Baby, you know my hands are. So.
Ritter. Yeah,
Sorry about
Ritter
that struggle,
Swiss.
y'all. We're trying to get this language together. Want to take a bite before mommy? No, take a real bite.
Okay, let's see.
Tell me what it tastes like. Ooh, it's got yogurt on the inside, huh?
Oh wow.
Let's see.
Y'all try this one first. Try. Oh, look. Oh, look. It's like.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Can I get mine?
Yeah. Try
That's
it.
the yogurt one.
Yeah,
Okay.
try that
I
one.
want the yogurt one.
Okay,
Yeah,
thanks.
thank you.
Let me do
That is-
yogurt.
Tell me.
Totally.
Yogurt.
Which
Yogurt.
one? Which one was it?
You want another piece of
This
yogurt?
one here? Was it this one?
You like
It's
it?
candy.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Right, that's
Okay,
the one.
eat that one.
Yeah.
This one, what's this one, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
That one is good. I think that's for flakes. Exactly what I like, the crispies.
Yes.
Thank you, Dad, for giving me
This
a
one here is
yogurt.
yogurt.
Oh, yes. So welcome. Which? How's that one right there?
Oh, the
Yeah,
marzipan?
it's good.
Is
Is that
that
coconut?
Yeah.
I don't know about that one. I'm sorry.
You didn't. You ate it though. You didn't know what.
Not yet.
I get the yogurt one.
Oh, okay. I wanted. Yeah.
Ate the cri-
I wanted someone to tell me real.
This one here, baby.
About that one.
You tried the crispies
Do you
first?
like the coconut?
No, I wanted to
He's
see.
not
if
sure
it's
yet. I'm gonna
dark.
take
I
it.
wanted to see if that was.
Oh. This is the yogurt one.
Got it.
Like, she likes the yogurt one. But there's another one, so y'all can try it, because she's going to take that one.
Hold on.
Hmm.
This is a
That one is good.
coconut one.
That one's really good, the crispy.
Yeah.
It's,
Delicious.
Is it
Camera.
coconut?
Delicious.
it's marzipan for sure.
Delicious camera.
Which one?
You want to know what the chocolate is?
Favorite.
That's what you really want to know.
Let me.
Why?
It's good. It's dark chocolate, but it is
Okay,
good.
let me show the
Okay,
camera.
just try it. Like
Oh,
that little bite.
yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
do it though. I'm gonna do it because I said we had to try it. It's but I just saw the darkness when I
Show
opened
the
it. I
camera,
was like, hey.
I'm going to open the nuts perkex.
Show the camera.
We're about to get it.
Show say delicious camera. Show.
Delicious camera.
Got it.
All right, look at that.
Talk to the camera. You don't like it? No. It's good.
It's not a bad dark chocolate though.
Because the inside is like really.
Right. Okay, see y'all.
You get the coconut bite?
No, that was the dark one.
You?
Yeah,
Mine's
but
Are you serious?
but you don't taste the darkness in it, so that's
That's
good.
Nusper.
That's so good.
Nusper perkex.
That's good. He ate dark chocolate.
He has to.
I'm so glad.
Crew's gonna get him.
Tummy.
Right, because I
Yeah.
remember that
What were
one
you eating? Go get some more.
something we were doing. He said you gotta try.
Oh
it.
yeah,
Like,
the coleslaw and
I'm
the
like, she got me. Like, Crew, you
minus
want
the coffee. We didn't, you know.
Crew, you want to see him eat? I'm like, oh no.
It was super rich.
Really good.
Nut splitter.
I don't have
Thanks,
no
Germany.
more to eat.
All right, what's this? Y'all said this one was what?
It's like almost like a wafer in the inside. Because I don't know what the translation would be for that one.
I tasted it already? No.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nut splitter.
That's me. I didn't eat that.
Oh, let me taste it first.
Try not to hit the screen so it won't wave.
No milk.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
The green scared me.
Mm-hmm. No milk.
Okay.
That was good.
Which one is this
This
one?
one's really good. Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
I do the water.
That's cute. Titi, don't drink all of our
I
waters.
think all the
Did we show
Don't
them?
drink too
Did we
much.
show them the packages, or we just told them?
We, oh wait, I think we did we?
I'm so sorry.
Did we see? We showed you guys the packages, didn't
I
we?
do. On
We're
just
on
the
a sugar.
first
We're
two.
on a
Yeah.
sugar high right now.
Oh, right here. They were in this box. I know.
No, I'm saying out. What they?
Okay, here, baby, give me my water back. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so that was.
Edel Volmic.
This video is whack. I
Wait, where's the other one?
don't know. I put it back in the box because I want to show it to you.
You want some?
Oh no, the ones that were left in there were duplicates.
Oh.
Because you'll need it.
I took out all the-
That's good, okay?
Ones that
What
were
duplicates that?
they were in the
You
box.
took,
Yeah.
Now they're mixed. Well, let me see which ones so we can taste all of
I
them.
think all of it.
I'm trying to look in while we're waiting.
I'm ready all my goodies. I'm just saving them.
I'm about to ransack it once we click stop.
It's good, y'all.
That's like a
You just
Rich
made
milk.
me come on.
Okay.
that's good.
Mom, the camera
That splitter
can
was
see me.
duplicate.
This one right here is good.
Yogurt. Did you ever try the yogurt? Because she took the other two.
Oh, here, I got one.
Okay. Did you try the yogurt?
Real good.
How
Nesper
would
Kix
I
was a duplicate.
Yeah.
What about nougat? That wasn't a duplicate, right?
We can have one.
Okay. So that's nougat.
Oh, yeah, that rich chocolate, yeah.
Right.
Real good.
Here. That'll go in your hot chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
Let's see. Oh, this is like already super soft.
Oh my goodness, it's gonna be hard to pick a favorite.
I know.
I think I know it.
You had this already?
So far.
Not yet. The nougat.
Wow.
Yeah, it is going to be hard.
Mom.
I think.
Mom, that looks like a house.
Want to try it?
Oh,
Mama, looks like
Try
a
this.
house.
And this is the
Oh,
one
it's
that?
good. Like the like cream in it or something. Caramel.
Mm-hmm.
I tried it.
You don't like it? You like it?
That's really good.
There's something in there, right? It's super soft.
Like a caramel cream or something. It's really good. It's good.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is going to be tough.
Alright, so I'll put them in here so we know what flavors to look at when we're done.
Okay.
Don't forget this right here.
Might as well not leave any in
This
this.
I'm saving this.
Leaving
because
the man behind.
Right.
You got this one, this one.
Or for these little.
Come right here.
What do you need, baby?
I'm trying to clean my palate.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to use a swish swap.
You try this one? Oh, we got another one to try?
No, that was
No, that was
the duplicate on that one.
Dad, that would look so nice.
The lion
on
snack.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to have a wet throat.
You,
Okay.
Dad, you have I
Three
I like
times.
that.
Oh, wow.
That
I
makes-
so
Oh, okay. I thought it was like either 3 times
Really?
the size or.
Oh, okay.
What is that,
You try
Mom?
this one?
I can share with somebody, yeah, because I got
Right.
chocolate on the.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't want to get chocolate overload.
Yeah.
That's cute though.
Wow.
The little packages that it
Is
comes
that
in.
going to
Come
be
through in the pack.
chocolate bongo?
I don't
Say
know.
3 times.
I think that's
Looks like a Nestle thing on the side.
It
See if I can
looks
take a
like-
little piece, or if I can bite it. I'll probably bite it.
Probably.
It's one of those ones that'll crunch.
Right.
Where's your teeth?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Like Milky Way? Milky Way?
Mm.
Milky Way?
I never tried the yucky fruit.
Nice pull.
Good.
What are you getting? Like a
This is really good. It's like a crunch.
crunch?
Milky Way. It's like a
A
lot of bars we have over here.
In
one.
one.
Mom, I'm touching
A
you.
crunch. A kick.
Mom,
Kick.
look.
Twix.
And then
Like a Twix.
Mom, this is
With
like
nuts.
this. Mom, this is the
Yes, it
candy.
is. It's almost just
Yeah,
like
it
the
is
Twix.
candy.
Because it's got that wafer.
Right.
Mom, this is the chin.
But the crunch
Yeah,
too. The
mm.
crunch bar.
And the crunch
This
bar.
is like that.
So like a combination.
Oh,
That's good.
Mom, this is the door.
That's good.
And this
Mm.
is
Wow.
the size of the windows.
You showed
I
them?
like.
And everything.
What
Oh, I did. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That.
So the lion, and then what I wanted to show was that the corner where it shows you kind of what's in it. I don't know if it'll be very clear because of how far it is, but
One these?
it kind of shows what's in it.
Okay.
Nuts. on
Like little crunch bars. Probably too small. Sorry, guys. But yeah.
it. How much is that? Like a
You can see the
Twix
layers
nuts.
of wafer with caramel and the crunchy bits on the outside with the chocolate.
That's good.
Really nice. Okay, I'm gonna go savory because my palate needs a little.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the Luffy's Classic. Oh, is it like a cereal?
Can
There's peanuts on the front, so I'm
Looks like
guessing peanut flavor. Tootsie Boo. You wanna pick some up?
Mom, I see you.
Yeah.
I see
I know a few. And it smells like peanut too.
I'm sorry.
No,
Mama,
let it
stop
smoke.
eating that.
No.
Stop it.
Sorry, I tried it again before you guys.
Please, Mama.
Try it. Is it interesting? Oh,
Cause it's like
like a
Camera, I'm sorry.
that salted peanuts.
like a Reese cup.
Get me out.
No, it's salted peanuts and then a hint of peanut butter, like if it was already mashed.
I take some. I guess this is chocolate in my mouth.
You probably have
And-
That's a straight
And
Reese's.
that's what I'm waiting to move. I ate
Yeah,
that
the
last
chocolate
week.
makes it like Reese's and a peanut. That's crazy.
That's so funny because yeah, this is definitely
Uh-oh.
a salted peanut,
Yeah.
but also the butter flavor of peanut butter.
Get out. Get me out.
Mmm. Yeah, you like it?
Get me out, Mommy.
It's one of those things like,
Mommy,
You
I'm
like
lost.
it?
Right, yeah, I'd agree. Yeah, like,
come here, baby.
Salted peanut.
right,
I can't.
right. You're right, and you're right with a hint
Get out.
of peanut butter. Yeah,
Right, like
that's-
where the butter is mixed in, cause
Wow. What is it, loopy or loppy?
Hmm?
Loopy? Loppy?
Yeah, loopy.
Loopy?
mm-hmm.
Wow, interesting, loopy. Interesting.
It was a nice palate cleanser though because
Oh,
it
yeah.
was like sweet and
Yeah,
sweet
yeah.
and sweet and sweet.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Oh, there you go.
That's good. There's still so many.
Right.
Wow. What was those about? I forgot already.
Remember they were like puffier?
Okay.
We thought they were kind of like thinner sticks and then Paprika
Okay.
flavor.
But that's
Well,
with chocolate, just like a Reese cup.
absolutely. That's so true.
yep, the rising caramel.
Mm.
They feel individually wrapped or like a bar.
That feels individual.
Okay.
Just thank you for the water.
Everybody, I'm going to sit on the couch.
Okay.
Like this.
Wow.
Individually
Ooh.
wrapped. So you
Thank
can
you.
imagine.
Straight caramel. Oh my goodness.
Oh, my God.
No, don't give the option. I was trying to bite it too. I don't have the option. It's all or nothing.
Okay. Caramel. Caramel. Wait a minute. Caramel.
Caramel.
Everybody,
A little harder than I thought.
I had a little burp in here because I ate because I tried the candy.
Is that what it's from?
Okay, let's see.
Maybe you're right. She's a young person too.
So what do you guys think?
That's pretty good.
It's good. It's not overly sweet,
Like a taffy, like.
which is really good.
Right?
Because you can have like a caramel, well, for me,
Mm-hmm.
ball or like
Mm-hmm.
one and you're done. It's not overly sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Right, it's not.
Why is that?
Um,
Mom, why is that? It's not. Mom, why is that?
it's a chewy pull. It's almost like a chewy, you know the
Mom, why is that inside
What are they
this
called?
mouth?
Nothing left with it.
Why is
no,
that
it comes in the pack of
inside
Charms.
Claus's mouth?
Is it Charms? They come in the pack of 3 and then the flavors.
Why is this? Why is this? It's in Santa Claus's mouth.
You know what I'm talking about?
Mom, is
Not
this
quite
Sissy's
sure.
mouth?
Yes, baby.
And is this mine?
Mm-hmm. It's the fruit candy, and it's like that flat. It's like a flatter pack, a rectangular pack, and it's got each one is in their own individual pack, 3 flavors. That's the pull I'm getting.
Okay.
Like
The mambo.
chew.
Mambo.
Mambo, not charm.
Oh,
Mamba.
mama. Oh, yeah, God, yeah.
Not charm. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Mamba. It's that texture.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I got.
Try this.
With a Wonder Bar.
The Wonder Bar.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Well, yeah, I kind of it looks like a Butterfinger.
Okay.
It's probably a bite. Look like it.
Yeah. It says, Wonder Bar, a magic peanut and caramel cream experience.
Mm.
Mom, this is too heavy.
Come on, break it. Make a mess.
Probably.
Wow, nice. Good.
Oh, did we show it to you out of the pack? Look.
I'm done.
Like caramel pull.
Yeah.
What does it mix with like?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm trying to keep chewing. Maybe it'll come.
There's nuts there. Caramel. Chocolate. The flavor though.
What does it say?
What's the flavor?
They were right to give it that name, Wonder.
A magic peanut and caramel cream experience. Definitely creamy.
Wow.
The peanut butter.
Wow. This is nice.
Yeah, I taste the peanut butter pretty.
More crispies.
Right.
Yeah. And the chocolate is rich. So the Damla. What is that? The tropical flavored chews.
Okay.
So there's different ones. And on the front you can see like a watermelon, cantaloupe, pineapple, what else? Dragon fruit.
Oh wow. Nice
Okay.
flavors.
See if I can get one of each.
I like the
Nice flavors in there.
So take some out and see what flavors are in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
See that one? This one says watermelon and tropical,
That.
melon and pineapple, and then let's see if there's other ones.
Oh, look.
Make sure I try them.
Exactly. It's like so cute.
That's cute.
See it?
Which one are you trying first?
Just yeah, it looks so cute. This is oh my goodness. What is this? This is
Could they have made the word see?
they're small. Okay. This
What
is dragon fruit. I don't know what it is.
You got the watermelon and tropical. That one is good. That is good.
Now,
That's real good.
these definitely has the texture of those. I never knew the name of them.
Oh, are they rectangular?
Right.
Is it chew? I think they're called.
I think that's
Chew.
what they're called. Right.
Yeah, they're so good.
The chews, like we got
I
them
think
in
it's a Japanese
Japan.
candy. Yeah,
We got them in
it is.
Japan from Minnies.
Okay, gotcha.
Hi chew.
Mhm.
Hi, chew.
All right.
Like a strawberry flavor. We're the same way.
The melon and pineapple is good too.
How do you see your flavors in it? I can't have mine.
Right here.
Yeah, it's small. It's right there.
It's small. It's tiny.
I can
Very
see it
small.
Mmm. That's some good. You could sit and snack on these for sure.
though. Right. Is this something with apple?
You have the. What is it? Oh, melon and pineapple. It's just the colors on the
I've
different
tried,
sides.
y'all. I don't know what they are. They're good,
Try
though.
this one more time. Oh. Because I think what it is it's those two flavors mixed in the whole bag. Like, or 4 flavors and 2 in each one, and then mixed in the whole bag.
You know, I ain't right with it. They want my together and you don't.
Okay.
So good. Thank
Wow.
you guys so much for sending this.
That was really good.
Hopefully we get to go to Germany soon. Hopefully we get to come to Germany. Well, you know, go, whatever. Hopefully soon.
Well, guess what? One left.
Into with chocolate.
Oh, the Nestle Kit Kat. Their way, I guess.
Yep, this was Nestle. Oh, most of it. Like, this was Nestle. I'll take a small piece of a piece. I will figure it out. Break it, and then I'll take the.
I'll get the rest of it. Listen, what's that?
Oh, on it?
My Kit Kat, my break.
Oh, my break.
My break, Kit Kat, okay.
Mmm.
It's like a Kit Kat.
Definitely.
Exactly.
The wafer's a little bit different. This wafer's to me, a little bit more dense and just not as airy, but tastes just like a Kit Kat.
Right.
Okay.
And it is a Kit Kat, so we know what it says on the thing.
Right.
We're just trying to see the difference. So
Exactly.
From there to here.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Or are you trying it now?
I'm good.
Right.
They got more wafer.
Yeah, it's definitely thicker.
Yeah, we have more wafer. We have a little bit more wafer, I think, than what we have over here.
You think so? Or do you think it's just how the crisp of it?
I think it's the crisp of it.
Okay.
You think so?
No, it's good. Really good.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
That
was so
good.
I did not expect all that.
So good.
I'll go through and start rating mine if you want.
Okay.
I'm gonna do. I'll do top 3.
I'm just
Okay.
saying one.
I'm gonna do
I got two.
probably 1, 2, because I'm a chip person, and then 3.
Okay.
And that's the mini black and whites, the party mix, and then the gummies, the yogurt gummies.
You want to do 3? We're doing 3?
I
Yeah,
just
like
did my top because I was
top 3,
like, they're
good.
in there.
What is it?
The M&M's
One for me.
similar.
My first one. I like these.
Ooh, these were good.
It's so hard, y'all, to pick. They can pick.
Those are
I
really
like
good.
these, and I like these. Look at
Oh yeah, these.
So yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Moving back a little.
I know, not too far. Don't get too far, dude.
But
These are
yeah.
good.
Yeah, my 3.
Okay, my 3 is
Okay.
number 1.
Yeah,
Those are really good.
I pick all sweets.
You did nothing savory?
Pick all sweets. Oh, I love one now. I like this one too. Also, I'm sorry.
I think yeah, these right here. I think yeah, these are number 2 because these are so good. Right here. And then I would have to go with these. Yeah, I
You're not
kind
picking strawberry?
Well,
I actually was looking at those two.
I-
Like, should
I
that be
do.
my top? But
of it's okay. You know what, guys? You know what?
they're good. But if that's your,
3. It was a tie. It
cheating.
was a tie. It was a tie. It was a tie.
those are good.
So
We don't leave this out right here. Just don't have any
What's
more
that
left. The Nesquik. The Nesquik.
no, we're not leaving that. We're
Yeah, that
just
one wasn't my
choosing like
top.
our top
Okay.
3. So
Okay.
Nice.
They
Y'all,
were nice,
thank you guys
though.
so much.
Thank
yep,
you.
once
It was
again,
so good.
Once again,
I got lucky
thank you.
because you
It
guys
was
tried it with
so
me
good.
here, so.
Thank you so much for being with us. Well, you know. Thank you so
Wow,
much for
wow,
being with
wow.
us.
That's hey, that's all right. That's
That
all
was-
right.
Thanks for thinking about us.
And you know what I'm saying? A German snack pack on
Steroids.
New Year's 2021. Wow. Wow, that was all right. So, hey, you know what? We done did all the taste testing, gave you guys our top 3 picks of what they what they are. And I think we can wrap this up.
Sounds good.
We can wrap it up.
Before we
So-
hit a sugar wall.
I know. So look, hey, I hope you guys are having a happy new year so far. Have some realistic goals set for the new year, and try to achieve them. Don't stretch them out to the long goals that you never get to. Start small and then expand those. And so, and remember, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because we definitely enjoyed making it and doing the taste testing. If you did like this video, can we get a thumbs up, please? Like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification.
Ding.
So you know when the next video comes to you. And look, let me tell you something. Remember, the same Jesus that was the reason for all the seasons in 2021 and before that, it's the same Jesus that's the reason for this year also. Every day, 24/7. So never, ever forget that. I love you guys. We love you guys. And we will talk with you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Let's go.